Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Alright, today we're making strawberry cupcakes with a fluffy buttercream frosting. Here we go. Okay, the first thing we need to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're going to line 2 muffin tins with muffin liners. Okay, first we're going to do our dry ingredients. We're going to do 360 grams of flour. That's 3 cups. To that we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to whisk that together till it's well combined and set it aside until needed. Okay, now we're going to get started with the wet ingredients. We're going to put 1 cup or 227 grams of unsalted room temperature butter in a bowl of the stand mixer. Now we're going to beat that on medium speed until it's creamy. Then we're going to add our sugar and beat that until light and fluffy. Take about 5 minutes. Now we're going to add our eggs in one at a time. We're going to beat well with each addition. We're also going to scrape the bowl down between each egg. Then we're going to mix in the vanilla until combined. Now in a separate bowl, we're going to whisk together our cream and milk. Now with the beater on low speed, we're going to alternate between flour and sour cream mixture, beginning and ending with flour. Now we're going to chop up our strawberries. Now using a spatula to avoid over mixing, we're going to mix the strawberries and the food coloring in, although the food coloring is optional. Now using a cookie scoop, we're going to divide the batter up evenly amongst the 24 cupcakes. That should be about 1/4 cup per cupcake. We're going to place those in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Hey, look at that, I got 3 hands now, wouldn't that be nice? Okay, we're going to let those cool briefly in the pan, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. While we're waiting for that to happen, we can start to make our buttercream. So we're going to beat the butter and salt until very pale and creamy. Takes about 5 minutes. And we're going to puree our strawberries in a measuring cup. We're going to gradually add our powdered sugar and strawberry puree on very low speed. Now we're going to add our vanilla and then beat on medium speed until fluffy and nice and spreadable. We're going to transfer our buttercream into a piping bag with a fancy star tip on it. Okay, we're going to decorate the top of our cupcakes and add a slice of strawberry to the top. So there you have it, strawberry cupcakes. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.